example, here in the Philippines, the Ifugao people, asa sila nagpuyo? What mountain specifically? Okay, asa sila nagpuyo? What mountain specifically? Cordillera Mountains. They live in there because they want to preserve their farming technique, which is the rice. Very good. Rice terraces, they want to preserve it. And also, one of the best example is near sacred sites. Are you familiar with the mosque?
Yes.
Mosque is the church of the Muslim people. Whenever there are mosques around, of course, there are people living near it. Nakapamilya mo sa atin sa Lapu-Lapu, which part of the Lapu-Lapu? Diba? That is the example of culture. Now, did you get me?
Yes.
Am I confusing or not?
No.
Thank you so much. Now that I'm done with my part, let us have Miss Costello. Let us have Miss Costello.
Jobs, industries, and income opportunities.
Of course, one of the reasons why the people kanang mubantin sa laing nasod because of the jobs or the kanang bitaw kanang natural industries and also the kanang technology yes, that. So one of the examples that there is Shenzhen, China. So we know that Shenzhen, China is transform to before man kay Shenzhen, China is tiny fishing, yeah, like that. But because of the many kanang people nga niadto ni mo na siya og city. Yeah, famous, yeah. And also, if kanang nikuan siya og 12 million people, because of the massive sa inyong isulti, sa economics, sa work, job, or sa kanang technology advances. Yeah. Also in Japan. Yeah, kuan jud kayo ang Japan, di ba? Mga robot, like that. Yeah. So next is history. So, do you see it, everyone?
Ancient settlements, colonization, and migration.
So, events that happened long time ago, like ancient civilization and colonialism. Yeah. They determine where they live because of the history. We know that. So one of the examples there is the South America cities, which is Lima and also the Buenos Aires. So they are kanang what do you call that? They are the no. They are the crowded today. Crowded kay siya nga kanang city bitaw. Because of the kanang Spanish colonies. Yeah. Colonies and also the colonies and also they built because of the Spanish colonies they built the kanang
everyone?
Government policies, peace and order.
So, politics is one of the factors that influence population distribution. Why? Because of the political issues. So everyone, what are the political issues, common political issues here in the Philippines? Corruption here in the Philippines. Was there another corruption? Okay, very good. Another.
Yeah, lack of opportunities.
Okay, lack of opportunities. Those projects.
Political dynasties.
Political dynasty. Last. Okay, very good. So your answer, all of your answer is correct. So because of that issues, some of the Filipinos might choose to migrate to another country is because they don't want the system of governance here. Okay, so what that?
Yes.
So now we're done at the physical and human factors. Let's move on to another topic, which is the global scale. And then what is
Population distribution across the entire world.
For me, global scale is like mo na siya
So,
yeah,
okay, very good. So global scale is the overall population on the across the entire world. So this means, I think, their goal is to address all of the global issues rather than focusing on just one country or one area. Okay, very good. So guys, okay, so are you familiar with brain drain?
That's where the professionals, like for example here in the Philippines, the professional like others lasa, like in the country that's where like plus na there yung mga something like there's
Okay, can you give I hear 6, 7 clap? Okay. But dapat pas-pas yung 6, 7. Ulit. 1, 2, 3, go! Let's go. Okay, so now, let me give you an example. So, many people, work to another country because they want to find a good job and stable income. Okay, stable income. But the impact of that is the other country is gaining more people while their home country is losing its own population. Move on to the local scale.
Population distribution in a barangay, city or province.
So, local scale, which of local scale? It is a small, specific or limited scope only. So, such as barangay, city, province, or town. So, in short, it has a shorter scope compared to global scale. So, let's say for example, barangay mangrove planting. So, what